Are you tired of casting variables in a for of loop and wishing there was a simpler way? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common question about casting declaration variables inside a for of loop in TypeScript. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you want to keep your code clean and concise, but the casting seems to complicate things. Many developers face this challenge, and it's completely valid to seek a more streamlined approach. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked if there's a shorter and simplified version of casting a declaration variable inside a for of loop. They mentioned that while casting the whole array works, they would prefer to cast or set the data type of the variable directly. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the issue here? In TypeScript, when you use a for of loop, the variable you declare inside the loop inherits the type of the array elements. This can lead to some confusion when you want to enforce a specific type without casting the entire array. And stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share a neat trick that can help you simplify your code even further. You won't want to miss it. To simplify the casting of a variable inside a for of loop, the user can use TypeScript's type assertion directly on the variable within the loop. This allows for a more concise declaration. This method eliminates the need for a separate type declaration for the variable. Instead, the user can assert the type directly when assigning the value. If the user wants to ensure that the variable is always treated as a specific type, they can also use a conditional check within the loop to enforce the type. This approach not only simplifies the code, but also ensures that the variable is of the expected type before using it, enhancing type safety. Fun fact, did you know that TypeScript was developed by Microsoft to help developers catch errors early? It's like having a safety net for your code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the for each method on a node list. They demonstrate how to select all anchor elements and set their target attribute to open in a new tab. Here's the neat trick I promised. You can use a type guard to check the type of A dynamically. This allows you to handle different types more gracefully without cluttering your code with multiple casts. And there you have it. You've learned how to simplify casting in a for of loop in TypeScript. Remember, keeping your code clean is key to better readability and maintenance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.